Hello, WordPress users. In this tutorial, we will introduce you how to create front-end booking catalog using Amelia Booking Plugin. What is the primary use of the front-end booking catalog? You can use the front-end booking catalog view when you want to show your services list in the form of a catalog. We presumed you have activated plugin and created services in your WordPress site. Now, go to WordPress Admin Dashboard and click Add New under the Pages menu. Write a title in your page and add the Amelia catalog block. Next, you can see Amelia catalog view appeared in the widget. You can use 3 different types of filters to show your services by selecting this drop-down menu. First, you can show catalog of all categories. Second, you can show specific service category. Third, you can show specific single service. Now, click Publish button and your service is live. You can see your services in grid format. Visitor can book your services from this front-end catalog page anytime. So, anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to check out these other tutorials that we've created for the Amelia Appointment Booking Plugin.